Good morning, class. We meet again today. Today we are going to learn about writing. Still the same topic, get dressed. So let's begin. Alright, so before we go on to our lesson today, I want you to look at this picture. This is your homework yesterday. So we are going to do some revision. So now I want you to look at David. Can you tell me what's David wearing? What is the color of his hat? What is the color of his sweater? And what is he wearing? Is it trousers or jeans? What is the color of his shoes? Because today we need to write sentences about the clothes that a person is wearing. All right, so let's look at this example. So this is how we write a sentence about a person's clothes. All right, so let's read together. David is wearing a red hat, a green sweater, a jeans, and white shoes. One more time. David is wearing a red hat, a green sweater, a jeans, and white shoes. All right. How about we try another one? Let's look at Amy. Okay, so this is the sentence that we can write. Sorry. Yep. All right, so let's look at Amy. Amy is wearing yellow cap, a red sweater, a blue skirt, red socks, and blue shoes. So when you write sentences about someone's clothing, you need to write from head to bottom. All right, so that you won't miss any piece of clothing. All right, so now we go to our lesson today, and I want you to pay attention because you are going to do exercise based on the lesson. Okay, so this one you can see in your Superminds book, page 89. Page 89 here. Right? All right, so before you start, we look at your exercise, let's read through the sentences first. Okay, are you ready? Okay, I want you to listen when I read. And for the second time, I read and you are going to repeat after me. Okay, now let's look at this one. Let's read the instruction first. Look at activity one again, Nonia. Choose and write. So this is the picture. This is an example of sentences that you are going to write. This is the example. Okay, I'm going to read. Please listen. Tom is wearing a blue helmet, a green jacket, black trousers, and red shoes. He is riding a bike. It's very simple sentences. Okay, now you read after me. Are you ready? Good. Tom is wearing a blue helmet, a green jacket, black trousers, a red shoes. He is riding a bike. Good. Now let's look at your exercise for today. Okay, so for your exercise, I want you to just choose one and write following this example here. All right. Okay, so these are the pictures that you may choose from. The first one is Emma, play. The second one is Fred, play. All right. So this exercise you can also see in your Superminds book, page 89. All right, page 89, this one. All right, so I want you to write either Emma play or Fred play. All right, so how are you going to write? Okay, I give you one simple example here. As you can see Emma here, the first thing you need to do is write about the clothing. Okay, let's start to write. I will read the sentence for you, you listen. Okay? So let's look at Emma here. What is he wearing on his head? This is what we call headband. Headband. So you can write like this. Emma is wearing a purple headband, a purple sweater, a blue skirt, and black shoes. She is playing a piano. Right. You got it? Okay, now let's look at Fred. What are Fred wearing? The first one, you can see the sweater. Okay, so we need to write about the sweater first. So Fred is wearing yellow and red sweater, a jeans, and what is the color of the shoes? And black shoes. Simple sentence. He is playing football. So you have to write sentences like this. All right? Okay. So off you go. You can go to do your exercise. See you again tomorrow. And one more thing before I forget. Just a minute. For your class, the only for your class you have 5 students finished their exercise yesterday. So congratulations to you. Okay, so see you again tomorrow. Bye.